What it do, guys? And welcome to the Daily What It Do. And we are on Daily What It Do number 83. And we are at work. It's Monday. Monday. Hope you guys all enjoyed our Mrs. Knott's chicken dinner video, which was a very, very fun day with the peoples. Today is an okay day. I'm here 10 minutes early. But of course, this will be the start of the last 2 weeks of me being here at this particular job. Let's get everything going. Let's get the whole day shebang bang and the vlog proceeding. And I hope you guys enjoy today's Disneyland ride to work.
Hold on for a thrilling alpine adventure.
Hey.
You know, also want to talk about?
Yes.
I seen you switch your D pin.
Oh, yes.
And it's not the usual pin.
Channel Mom, Marianne, gave me this pin when she came down to visit the last time. And this is my first time using it. I got a brand new hat just to use it, secured it on tie. I very appreciate it. This pin is very special. It's in the shape of Walt Disney's writing, like in all the movies and everything that you see.
Walt Disney Farm.
And she brought it from Florida.
From Walt Disney World.
Yes. So it's safe on here. Ain't gonna lose that.
She said from her world to your world.
Yeah. Yes, I love it.
Thank you, Channel Mom. We appreciate you.
Thank you, Channel Mom.
Marianne, you're the best. Alzita's Dane. Alzita's Dane, everyone. Oh, we bye. I don't see him. I hear him, but I don't see him.
He's coming.
He was sleeping on the job. Hold on, D.
Fall out.
We're all still alive. Hands up!
Please remain seated.
What it do, guys? And I am off of work. I'm ready to go home. So, today, the big Disney news is that there is no news. They have not said anything about the reservation system. What's going to happen? How is it going to work out? Are we doing it now? Are we doing it later? Is it going to happen over there? Or is it going to happen over here? What's the dealio? So, we've only gotten a sneak peek of it. Was whatever's going on in Shanghai Disney. That's because that park is completely open. What's wrong, Lucas? What's wrong, Bubbles? Come on, Lucas, come here. Come here, Lucas, come on. Come here, Papa. Come on. Good boy. And the day is over, guys. A long day passed. A lot of new things, a lot of old things, a lot of things in general happening today. Things with Disney, things with me, things with work. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's daily vlog. But I do want to remind you guys, if you guys are new to the channel and you know you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe to D and Me and KIDULT TV, as it does help us out. But from D and Me and KIDULT TV, I want to thank you for watching, and we'll catch y'all tomorrow for another daily vlog.